Hey guys, so I just got this bathroom vanity light from Quntis. Let's take a closer look and set it up as well. So this is the 4-light vanity light fixture with 5 different color temperature settings. Here's some more information about it. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box. There it is, all wrapped up. This bathroom light utilizes crystal glass technology to resemble crystal bubbles frozen in ice, perfectly diffusing the light from the LED bulbs. It offers a unique visual experience with its bubble-like effect, and the metal parts are crafted in cylindrical iron tubing in a chrome-plated design. You are able to choose from 5 color temperature options to help meet whatever preferences you have with the various lighting tones, and ensure an ideal ambience tailored to your tastes. It also is waterproof, which allows for worry-free use in moist environments, eliminating concerns about water exposure. For the lights, it uses 21-watt LEDs, which help to eliminate the need for separate light bulbs, serving as an ideal energy-conscious replacement for most lighting sources, while also lasting for longer. It comes complete with all of the necessary installation hardware and instructions for a swift and effortless setup process, enabling you to enjoy your chosen illumination setup in no time. Definitely check out the Quntis Bathroom LED Light Vanity today.